I'm going to show you how to do a long tail cast on with a slingshot setup. The first thing you want to do is measure 3.5 times the width of whatever you're knitting. 2, 3.5. At that point, you want to make a slip knot. Draw a circle with the yarn in your palm. Drag the top yarn behind the circle. Then take your needle and slip it under that strand. Use your left hand to pull both strands coming out of the knot to gently tighten the slip knot. Make sure it's not too tight. This is your first stitch. Now, with your long tail and front and your working yarn and back, you're ready to set up your slingshot. So we have these 2 strands hanging from the needle. I'm going to use my index finger of my right hand to hold this in place. Then take the index finger and thumb of your left hand and separate these 2 strands. Use your remaining 3 fingers to grab the strands below. Gently pull back with your right hand and you have a slingshot. Let me show you that one more time. You have your 2 strands, your long tail is in the front, your working yarn is in the back. Take your 2 fingers, your index finger and your thumb, separate the 2 strands. With your 3 remaining fingers, grab the strands below. With your right hand, gently pull back. Now you have your slingshot. So we have 1 stitch already from our slip knot, and now we're going to cast on additional stitches. To do that, take the tip of your needle to the base of your thumb. Draw it up your thumb, picking up that strand. Then take the tip of your needle to your index finger and draw it down your index finger, picking up that strand coming from your index finger. Now pull your needle through this loop, letting your thumb fall out of the loop. Use your thumb to then gently tighten that stitch. All right, let's do that again. Take the tip of your needle to the base of your thumb, draw it up your thumb, picking up that strand. Take the needle to your index finger, draw it down your index finger, picking up this strand. Now draw the needle through this loop coming off of your thumb and let your thumb fall out of the loop. Now use your thumb to tighten that stitch. The more you do this, the faster you'll get. So needle to your thumb, draw it up, needle to your finger, draw it down through the thumb loop, let your thumb fall out, and then tighten that stitch. Bring your needle up, bring your needle down through the loop, tighten the stitch. Let's do it a couple more times. Take your needle to your thumb, draw it up your thumb, your needle to your finger, draw it down your finger, through the thumb loop, let the thumb fall out, tighten the stitch. And that's how you do a long tail cast on with a slingshot setup.